All right, day 6 of Rebuilding the Man, 454 days to get my body back. And I'm digging in again to Jeff Cavalier's Zero program, the bodyweight program. First, I got to do my PT for the day. And then I'm beginning day 1. I'm the 2 degrees below zero. I'm at the introductory workouts of this thing. But anyway, got to get it done. Seriously. Stupid. What am I doing? All right, I'm feeling exceptionally ridiculous filming this. All right, this is exciting. I haven't been able to do this particular exercise in about 10 years. That's exciting for me.